Life changer nga ba talaga ang magic sarap?
Oo, because this also helps us experience a lot of taste from different dishes at home. Hindi ka magsisisi kasi nagbibigay ito ng Ilonggo, glow and grow. So what's something to regret for?
Not mare, kasi my mom always cook us for a sign of her love. At ang pagmamahal na yun ay hindi lang nararamdaman kundi nalalasahan din. That's why my dads love her so much. And magic sarap, there's a taste of love, no doubts.
Oo nga, dati kasi nag-aala ako sa kusina, naghahanap ng perfectong timpla, pero kaya nakilala ko ang magic sarap. Sa simpleng pag-uusik ko, na niluluto ko yung maapaw sarap. Kaya masasabi ko talaga na magic sarap is a life changer dahil nagdagdag ang aroma na parang may maika at nagaan sa brusa. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, itry mo na.
Here are the ingredients needed to make latik, which is our dish. Salt, spring onion, lemongrass, and of course, the one who will give us the best taste, the magic sarap. Squash, horseradish or malunggay, and lastly, the fresh coconut milk. And here are the ingredients needed to make kamote delight, which is our dessert. Sweet potatoes, all-purpose cream, condensed milk, and margarine. To start, add the water to boil and wait at least 5 minutes. And once it is done boiling, it's time to add a squash and wait until it softens. Squash is ready! Now it's time to add the fresh coconut milk.
And of course, we should also put the lemongrass and spring onions.
And lastly, to add the best taste for our recipe, add magic sarap.
And lastly, don't forget to put the horseradish or malunggay. Wait and serve. Latik is done. Let's proceed to make our dessert. First, boil the sweet potatoes for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Peel and ready to smash. Transfer it into a large bowl and add the following.
Hurry. All-purpose cream.
Lastly, condensed milk.
Just mix, 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 and ready to serve. It's plating time!
All done! What's missing?
It seems incomplete.
But what's unang without rice? For the moment of truth, tikiman time! The best!
Very demure.
Sweetest.